You guys know what I'm gonna say. We want high rise. These are Dover's originally. Oh, cool buttons. Got this one. Oh, it's carded. Let's see how high we get to go. Rip. Guess we gotta wait. Oh wait, hold on. Oh no, these go even higher. I'm stupid. Oh wait, these look like they're still original. Let's see if we can go anywhere. Rip.
No, you don't.
Look at the original buttons though. It's a cool indicator though. Let's see.
Casino? No. Casino?
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. I'll send you off. Alright. Ooh. Those are cool indicators. This one here. Cool. Yeah, see, all of these are locked. Stopping at 19. Go down?
Yeah.
Stopping again. And 16. I said this is not it. You coming down?
Yes, thanks. We're back.
We were here.
Yeah, we say it took same time for getting ready, right?
Yeah, so cold and wet. So it's happening.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can't send it. You can.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's see if we can ride one of the original ones. Ah.
You gotta have a car, buddy.
The original. There you go. Back down. The original. Nice cabs. I think these are the only original ones left. I think you could go up to 3, but I'm not sure. I'll try. Oh, these are fun though. Let's see. No, that's locked too. Alright. Look at this. There it goes. And that's it.